video, we will learn how to create drop-down list in Excel. Let's take an example of a student's qualification, favorite food, favorite city and favorite sports. Write all the rows' name in one column with all relevant data. There should be a blank cell to select list for the rows. Now write all the details for the head in other column to create a list. Create a list under head as per data in the cells. Now the data are ready for creating a drop-down list. Select the cell in which list is to be generated. Select Data Validation under Data. Select List from Data Validation and choose the cells for creating a list. Choose the data cells and press Enter. Press OK and now see the drop-down list created as per selected data. Now you can select the qualification from the list. In this way, create drop-down list for all the cells. Always select list from data validation. There is no limitation to select data. You can select unlimited cells. Now, the drop-down list is created for all the head. You can select any value from the given list. Use insert and you can insert value to the list. List will be auto-generate when we insert any value in source data. There are advanced options also for drop-down list. You can also add input message and error alert for the list. Write all the details for message and error alert and save it. Now the message will show here whenever we select the cell. Error message will also come if we write any value which is not present in list. In this way, we can create drop-down list in Excel. You can also import all your data from Excel to Tally in one click by excel4tally.com. Thank you for watching video and subscribe our channel Excel4Tally for more videos.